Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalynn, and in today's video, I'm bringing you guys a Givenchy Antigona Mini unboxing. I wanted to share this video with you guys since my channel is based on fashion. I really think that handbags really go into play with that because handbags can really dress up an outfit. I wanted to put this video out there just in case any of you guys wanted to pick up this bag. I do want to put a disclaimer that y'all, this bag was not cheap, okay? And your girl is not rich, okay? So this is not to brag in any way, shape, or form. This is actually one of my first designer handbags. Well, actually, I can't say it's my first designer handbag, but I will say it's my first high-end designer handbag. This was actually a gift from my baby. Thank you, baby. Love you. So this is actually an early Christmas present. I've wanted this bag for so long. And yeah, I decided to go ahead and unbox it with you guys. But before we go ahead and jump into the unboxing, I did want to let you guys know a little bit of backstory about this bag, just because also I feel like this story speaks to the customer service of Givenchy. So this bag was actually purchased in Paris. I noticed when I tilted it in a certain light that it had a scratch on it. I will insert pictures on the screen here. Since this bag is so expensive, I expected it to come in prestige condition. So what I did when I noticed this, I immediately reached out to Givenchy. They basically put me in contact with the store. It was a pretty easy process. The only thing is it took me about a month to get a replacement bag, and that's solely I think because of the different time zones, so it was hard to communicate back and forth. If you guys didn't see my last video, I actually talked about this, but I cut my hand with a box cutter, so no, I will not be using a box cutter to open this box. I will be using a pen. Okay, safety first. What kind of tape they use in Paris? And here is my bag. Now, obviously, if you order this bag on the website, I'm assuming it may come packaged a little bit different. My situation is a little bit different, so just keep that in mind. Now, the price of this bag in Paris is significantly cheaper than in the States, so that's another reason why I decided to go ahead and pick up the bag in Paris. I believe in Paris, this bag will cost you almost $1,300, and as opposed to in the United States, it's gonna cost you, I think, around $1,800. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. This bag is my pride and joy. How cute is this bag? I actually decided to pick it up in the shiny leather. They did have a matte one, which I do know people say is a lot more durable, but I looked at a lot of reviews of this bag and I noticed that a lot of people that had theirs for years, it was not scratched. It didn't show a lot of wear and tear. So I'll just be super gentle and delicate with this bag because I really like the look of the smooth as opposed to the grained leather. So this is so cute, and mine has the silver hardware. Now, the reason that I decided to pick up this bag in the mini style is just because I feel like it's more practical for me. I really wanted a bag that I could wear crossbody, and since you guys know I'm 5 foot and I have a smaller frame, I think the small suits my body type better as a crossbody as opposed to the small. And I looked at a lot of reviews, and you can actually fit a ton of stuff in this bag, which is another reason that I decided to pick this up. So you open it up, y'all. I'm struggling, okay? I only have one thumb. Okay, so when you open it up, it comes with the crossbody strap, which I will definitely be using, but sometimes I actually plan to wear it like this as well because I just think it's cute. On the inside, there's just like a ton of paper. Now let me show you guys a close-up. And if you're my size, 5 foot, or of a smaller frame, I think this is perfect. I think it's enough bag for you. Now, one thing about this bag to keep in mind, you cannot really carry it like this. I have small arms and there's just no way. So the only way that you're really gonna be able to hold it is in hand like this or with the crossbody strap. I love this bag. I love the hardware. It's just, to me, a classic bag. I wanted to make sure that if I'm gonna pay for a higher end bag, that I wanted to make sure it was timeless and something that I could truly wear for a very long time. And of course, I'm gonna have some try on clips for you guys so you guys can see how it looks on my frame and my body type. But I absolutely love this bag, and because of the experience that I had with Givenchy, I would definitely pick up another bag from them, just because I really love their customer service. And the experience with this bag at first was awful. I was so disappointed that it had a scratch on it, but now that I have this brand new bag, I am super duper happy and super duper thrilled. I cannot wait to wear and style this bag. I'm trying to think of what else people say in these unboxing of bags, because y'all, I don't buy designer bags like that, so I don't know what people look for or want to know. And of course, if you guys want me to do an update like a month out or 3 months out, I can do that for you guys and tell you guys how the bag wears and tears. But I absolutely love this bag. I do want to let you guys know that your girl will not be reviewing a lot of designer bags, because your girl doesn't want a lot of designer bags, okay? Okay, babes, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure, if you guys have any additional questions or anything that you guys want to update in regards to this bag, please let me know in the comment section below. I did want to let you guys know I'm so excited about a video that I have coming up. It's actually going to be a review of the Skims Kim Kardashian pasties and tape. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on that video, which is coming. And until next time, love you. Bye.